Hello everyone, today we are going to build our first SOAP service in 10 minutes. What is SOAP? SOAP is Simple Object Access Protocol. Actually, it's a protocol for exchanging structured information in the implementation of web services. In this guide, I will walk you through building a simple SOAP service from scratch using Spring Boot, making the process seamless and beginner friendly. By the end, you will have a fully functional SOAP service that can handle request and response in structured XML format. So, what we are going to use? Today we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA, and also this tool is SOAP UI. So, let's start. At the beginning, we need to create new project. To create new project, we are going to IntelliJ Spring Boot project. Let's say countries. We are going to do Maven project, Java 17, OpenJDK. So let's do Spring Web, Lombok, create new window. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Now, first of all, we need to put in our resources in static folder our XSD file. Let's create XSD file. I will copy it actually from tutorial, from here. You can also copy it from Spring.io. New file. Country.xsd. Great. Now let's add some dependency in our POM file. I'm going to use few dependencies. Actually, first of all, I will explain everything. First of all, it's going to be plugin, Jabex Maven plugin. So let's copy it. What important point that we need to pay attention with? First of all, I'm going to add here source my XSD file here from the source. Let's copy path from root source. Nice. Output directory correct. Let's do package name. Package name, it's going to be Java here. Copy path reference from here. Just we will put it in the DTO package. Nice. Also, the clear output dir should be false. It's very important because after running it once, if you will leave it without nothing, it will make some problem with cleaning directory. So pay attention. Clear output directory should be false. Okay. Also, we have to add some dependencies for running our application. Great. We will do it. We will put it here. These dependencies need after generate our XML data classes and for running our WSDL file. Okay, everything I'm going to put in my Git repository. The link will be attached. So now let's go to the Maven and we will do with the life cycle. This one. Oops. Okay, clean. A package. Just let's skip test. Package. Okay, great. Now we can see that our DTO file were generated. So next step that we are going to do, we can see our XSD file. We can see it's just simple XML that have very important point. It's target namespace and root element and just element request, element response. So we can see now that we have generated classes. Here country, currencies, request, response, also object factory. Everything our plugin make for us. So now let's just add few more options. Today we are not going to connect to any database, but we just will create repository that will make and will add our classes for us. So let's do this. Just a second. New Java class, repo, country, repo. Okay. Refactor. Так. Wonderful. Let's see. Static. Private. Static. Final. Так, map with string country. New hash map. The countries. Wonderful. So post construct, and let's do initialization of few countries. Init. Country Spain. Так. New country. Let's say Spain. UK. So Spain, set name. Let's do Spain, set capital Madrid, set name Spain, set name Spain, set currency, set currency euro, Spain, set population, let's say this. It doesn't very important. It's not very important. Let's now Poland, set capital, set currency Poland. Okay, Poland, set name Poland, and set capital Warszawa. Warszawa. Great. Poland, set population, population of Poland, let's say this. Next, let's say United Kingdom, set population, let's say like this, doesn't matter really. Set capital London, set name United Kingdom. United Kingdom, set currency, Great, and let's create method find country. Public country, find country, top, return countries, return countries, get name. Okay, let's say assert not null. Name must not be null. Okay, next step that we are going to do, we are going to create endpoint. Let's do it endpoint country endpoint. Here we are going to use annotation endpoint from Spring via server. Okay, here in SOAP we are not going to use controller, we are going to use endpoint. It's very important. I know it's a little bit unusual, but so private static final Spring namespace, and let's see, we are going to use our namespace from our XSD file. Here you can see our namespace. Okay, great. So now we will do, we are going to after-wire our repository. Wire argument constructor, private final country repo, We forgot to put here repository, a component. So now let's see. Now we have to create endpoint itself, payload root, namespace, our namespace URI, wonderful, local part is going to be, we are going to take it also from here. Here's the element, get country request, annotation response payload, so our method public get country response. We are going to take our class get country response from here, get country response, let's take top get country, and here request payload, get country request, get country request. Let's say get country new get country response. Here response, get country response, set country repository, find by name, request, get name. Okay, actually I don't like this structure, but because we are just thinking about how to set up everything, we are doing like simple logica in endpoint. Usually it's better way just to put everything in the service and make implementation. Return get country response. Great. The last step that we are going to do, we need to set up our web service config. Okay, new Java class configuration, web service config, web service config. Here we need to add enable web service annotation, Also we need to add annotation configuration. Here we have to put our beans. First bean, in the first bean we need to specify XSD schema, XSD schema, country schema, return new simple XSD schema, new class path resource, and we will specify our XSD schema. Copy path reference, and let's say from source root. We are going to check, we need to check that it's visible from our source. So now it's visible, we are sure. Next, that we need to specify if it's our bin. Let's say public servlet registration bin, here message dispatcher servlet, message dispatcher servlet. Okay, new message dispatcher servlet. Enter. Так, let's say it's servlet. Set application context. We forgot here application context. Application context. Set application context. Set transfer with the locations. And return new servlet registration bin. This is our endpoint where we are going to enter our requests. Okay, so the last stuff that we are going to declare, it's also bin class, it's definition. Name, let's say it's name countries. Name countries. Так, public default with the definition. Default with the definition, schema, new default with the definition. Here we should put default with the definition, set port type name, where we have to take port type name, of course, also from our XSD. If we don't have, let's say, countries port, location URI, default with the definition, set location URI, vs also we have to put target namespace, as we remember we have to take from here. From our XSD file. Так. Set schema. Так. Default with the definition. Set schema. Okay, and return default with the definition. Так, okay, great. Now, what we are going to do now? Now let's try to run our application. Okay, great. We run it. So now let's do, we can use our SOAP. Okay. We have created our project at WSDL, and here we should put our HTTP localhost 8080, here vs .WSDL. Let's try error tag. Okay, why? Because WSDL countries. Okay, let's say here request, let's say XML, get countries Spain, and country response. Get country response, and we will see the response. Thank you.